Oh no, that goes to all the flavors that they put in their drinks and stuff. Yeah.
The pressure gauge on
Soda
it.
fountain right here.
Oh, is it all those like food things?
Yeah, they're going to the boxes. See, the boxes have all.
Oh, there's like there's like Pepsi,
Yeah.
Mountain Dew. There's like a pressure gauge on them or something too.
It's going to the. I don't know if they're